As we have with us Ridhima Tiwari. You're working in this project which is called as Me Too.
Yes.
Something that's too popular, too trending on Twitter, Instagram, wherever we see.
Is that a good thing?
Not really.
Okay.
We are going to talk about it.
Fantastic.
What do you think? Is it relevant to all the actors?
I feel as a beginner, one should be aware that our Bollywood, this industry, this media industry, has two sides. One side is the color side, is the production side, is the purely acting side, and the other side is the side which is the unspoken side. So this ground, this media, this glamour, this ground has several windows. Windows as in there is a television window, there is a film window, there's web series window, and then there are audition windows. So primarily what happens is the unspoken I'm talking about, where there is good and the bad, where you can say good and the wolves, okay? Connecting it to the wolf of Bollywood. So the wolves, for the ones who are at powerful positions, for them this ground and the number of windows I was talking about, those become the window shopping areas.
Okay, so they make a business out of it and create their...
They obviously, see, as a newcomer, even I had certain, people did make advances, people did, suggest certain things, but it was, I believe that it is up to an individual to decide.
To choose.
And then, to choose and then get into it knowing the consequence. Then further on, once you get into it professionally and then personally turns into, and then suddenly the professionally takes over in your mind, and then be like, oh, the person didn't do things for me, but hey, weren't you in it personally? So that clarity should be there, because
But don't you think that, no, that's perfectly explainable what you said, but don't you think that sometimes you come into clutches of things that are not planned according to your mind and set?
See,
As in, take for example, something happens with you during the time of your shoots, during the time when you are on the hotel stay, something happens, and due to some of the reason, like take for example, someone comes and does a misconduct, okay, and then you feel that, if I raise this issue, might be this project of mine would go down, or might be it would happen that people would not believe on me and my character would be on question. Don't you think that can happen?
See, that is what I'm talking about. Now you're talking about a beginner who has this fear of losing the project.
Right.
That is exactly when you have to make a choice, because when you say I don't have a choice, my project is going, and I should keep mum about this, otherwise I'll lose out on the project. What is it?
What if there
showcasing
are
desperation?
There are some really great actors, I would not like to name them, but they have faced similar things and they were unable to speak because they thought no one would believe in them. After the hashtag Me Too movement,
they started talking about
they got some courage.
Correct.
What do you think?
I feel that in this Me Too stories, there are again two sides. One is the genuine side, another is the fabricated. Okay? Like me as an outsider would not know which one is genuine, which one is fabricated. But if I look at it as a bimari, because wo bimari started 10 years ago, correct? It has grown and has made my life so miserable that now I want to talk about it. Why? Because suddenly I'm a little powerful than I used to be.
Right.
Correct? So now I can confidently speak about it because I'm in a little more powerful position.
Yes, and bring an action to it.
But what I feel that if it is such a bimari, why not take the other road, resolve your issue,
Okay.
go to a counselor, resolve the issue. What ultimately people want to do is throw that person out or probably prevent other girls from falling into the same situation.
Right.
Brilliant. But amidst all this, what happens is there are fabricated stories also that cause that people have to go through, then they suffer and then they come. I feel that initial steps should be taken, like going to our law and order. They're there to give justice, and then if you've tried and washed out all the means of getting justice, and then the public arena is fine.
Okay.
But then immediately coming on forefront may also be for publicity.
Yeah, and can create problems for
attention,
right.
And because that is also वो भी जुड़ा हुआ है ना इन सब चीजों से, fame, instant fame. When I suddenly talk about something that happened with me. So I feel it's very dicey, it's very sensitive, and something which is really pinching you needs to be sorted on a internal level first.
Right. So what do you have to say about this story? What USP is it going to give to the audience so that it would create? a sort of bond that I want to see this?
I feel it's most of them still are not aware of the Me Too as a whole, what it is all about. So they'll come to know how are people taken for a ride, how can you fall in certain situations, and one should be very careful with. For example, if somebody invites you over for dinner, would you just go? Would a girl should a girl just go for a dinner for a
What if she's
dinner
just
invite?
open? If she's just open to it, she might.
But that itself is, she has to be precautious. She has to not go alone for certain things like this.
That can be.
Of course, that is why it's important.
So you mean to
have
say
a-
precaution is better than cure into this?
Exactly, because you have to be careful. You are making choices. You have to think what you're doing and what it can lead to. If you're drinking with a certain person, drinking is not bad. But where, with whom, and why? You have to be clear. And this clarity comes when you have a proper mentor and a guide. Somebody.
Sanskar.
Sanskar, I think, is another. I mean, I won't compare
So
about.
somehow you would say that whatever things you speak, you think, you do are related to your upbringing.
Upbringing as well. लेकिन आजकल ज़्यादातर upbringing, I wouldn't comment
As you
on.
just said that going for a dinner with someone, that's an open mind. If someone calls
that's
any
an-
person for a
That's
dinner,
an
go.
open mind, but why would you go have dinner with someone you are not even familiar or you not even trust?
Okay.
Right? You might want to drink a glass of wine. You might want to, whatever. Be yourself. You can't be yourself. Meetings only happen in offices, not outside.
Or that becomes personal.
That becomes personal, and then one should not trip. This is exactly what I'm saying. Have clarity. Work and personal should be kept as separate.
Okay.
Or have someone who's senior, or have some guide who can, who you can talk to and ask for, seek
get
advice.
guided.
Yeah, get guided. Seek advice, and not do stupid things like this.
Okay. Lastly, something for the fans.
I would just want my fans. यार 3 million fans उल्लू पे already हैं, and I'm very very confident that this promo is going to really strike the chords of people and strike the correct chord, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy because it's a really good story, and I really enjoyed it.
We hope for the prosperity and all the best to you.
I love you.
And also ask my people. My name is Rajat Shukla. Ask people to subscribe my channel.
रजत शुक्ला को सब्सक्राइब, इनके चैनल को लाइक सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करिए, and
Keep rocking.
keep rocking. Yes.